Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing a gifting war with my friend Swiftie. So, let's start, and I will wait for her jag. So, I know that she won't scam me, because I've known her for like a year maybe, so just to let you guys know that. And she sent the gift. Hee hee. Ooh, we are starting off with a wristband. Okay, I gotta beat that, so let's find something to gift. Should we go crazy and a red short? Yeah, let's go crazy with the red short. Okay, now we're gonna wait. Another animal box. A rare raccoon. I don't know what that's worth. So, oops. Okay, we gotta send something back. I don't know what that's worth though. I think I'm gonna send this back. I don't know what it's worth. XD. Okay, bam. Oh, we got another one. Traffic cone. Oh. Can you change your name back? I can't find you. I will. Okay, now we're gonna wait till she sends again. Okay, so we got one. So we're gonna go black long wrist. LOL. Oh, okay, so that was kind of fair. Okay, tail back. So I'm gonna send that to her. So bam. Okay, so now she sent something back. MJ Rock. Yeah, she sent back the wrist. Okay, now to gift. Let's do. What do I got? Let me see. Oh. I'll see if I have any spare Cupid rings. Let's see. And if you're like, why are you doing this? You're gonna get scammed. Wow. I don't really care. Like, I gifted her my red tour. I don't care. Oh, we haven't. Oh my god, we're going so down. I know, right? Let's go up again. So I'll send the wrist. Bam. Another one. Ah, okay. And with rocks. A traffic cone. Another beta. So that's worth probably 2 clothing units. So I will send that. No. This. And what else? Let's send this back too. Okay, bam. Oh geez. Why? Okay. Okay. That isn't good. Oof. I don't know what you mean. Okay, why? I'm just getting spammed with jamograms. That's okay. Bam. Okay.